How you? How do you like it here? How's this walk?
Great, good for the kids.
Yeah, going down. We'll meet King Kong down. Right. So nag-explore me there, guys. Yeah? Yes, right. So para ma-experience na to ang local area. You know how the people live here. So from that top over there, we're going down. Na bumaba kami, guys. So that's the school. And nakikita niyo yung farm nila dito, yung area nila for their own survival every day. Kahit maraming guys, rocks dito, they find their own way to plant, no, mga corn. Kahit walang ulan masyado, kita niyo naman napaka-dry, pero they have nice weather. Sa ngayon malamig-lamig ang hangin, guys. So, syempre, hindi lang puro travel, hindi lang puro exploring na pang syudad. So, sa bukid, kailangan mo rin makita kung how they live every day. Yeah. These are the remote areas, locals, right here. So, ganito yung nila. Sitwasyon dito sa mountain area. So, nag-rely lang sila sa